everyone, today I'll be giving you more tips on the mistakes you might want to avoid when selling your home. And if it's your first time ever selling, this video is perfect for you. I'm Kristin Stampini. Now let's get started. Number 1, skimping on listing photos. As so many buyers look for homes online, actually more than 95% of those buyers, the photos need to look great. Also, recommended videos, drone videos if you can, Matterport videos, so those are 3D videos. As much as you can show online is definitely going to help sell your home, since more than 95% of all buyers look online to purchase a home. So good photos should be crisp, clear, and taken during the day when there's plenty of natural light available. They should showcase your home's best assets and consider using a wide angle lens, if possible, that allows to get the best photos. We like to use a professional photographer, and actually it's definitely worth the money to pay for a professional photographer. Snapshots necessarily on the phone, I don't recommend. And don't just stop at photos, like I said, consider adding the video tour, the Matterport, which is 3D. You can do the drone. So there's all sorts of different things that you can do. And I recommend any that would benefit your home in selling, I recommend that you go ahead and do it. So also, when you are looking at your home, number 2, when you're going to sell your home, not carrying proper insurance. So your lender may have required you to acquire homeowner's insurance when you bought the home, but if not, you'll want to make sure you're insured in case a viewer has an accident on your premises, on your property, and actually tries to sue you while the home is listed. So make sure that you have proper insurance on the home when you are going to sell your home. Definitely talk to your insurance agent, and make sure that you are covered for the showings. Okay, so number 1, you've got photos. Number 2, you've got proper insurance. Number 3 is hiding major problems, or really any problems. They don't go away, and you definitely have to make sure that you are letting the buyer know. It is your obligation by law to let the buyer know of any issues that you know or anything that you actually fixed. So you definitely have to let the buyer know of anything that you fixed or anything that needs to be fixed. Okay, you don't want a problem to happen after they move in and you never disclosed it to them, because that could cause legal issues. So disclose everything about your home that has either had problems or that you fixed. Make sure to do that. Different states are different on exactly what you have. You have to tell a buyer, but most of them, any type of issues there are, you definitely are going to have to tell a buyer. Okay, so number 4, not preparing for the sale. So you want to make sure that sellers who don't clean their home, stage their home, or when I mean stage also, I mean decluttering the home. They definitely get less money when selling their home. So definitely make sure that your home, if you can stage it, that's awesome. But if not, at least make sure that it's decluttered and ready to show, so people can actually imagine themselves in your home with their furniture. So that is another thing that is so important when you go to sell your home. Okay, and you got to do that. So those are some tips. If you have a friend or an agent, someone with a fresh pair of eyes, have them take a look and point out some other areas that might benefit you when selling the home. More eyes, the better, when giving you feedback on what you need to do to get ready to sell your home. So also, minor things, even painting makes it look brighter and better, little things to take care of. And when you do those things, it's going to sell much easier and usually for much more money. So those are the tips that I have when preparing your home for sale. You can follow me weekly for additional tips in real estate. Thank you for joining me today. Also, hit the bell icon, thumbs up, comment, and we'd be happy to get back to you. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.